Use FitGirl Repacks for Steam or EGS games. Risk versus reward. FitGirl Repacks is a website that distributes video games. The website is known for its high-quality repacks, which are compressed versions of games that are significantly smaller than the original files. This makes them easier to download and install, especially for users with slow internet connections. Credit, browser mining as a way of donating at fitgirlrepacks.site. FitGirl Repacks also offers a variety of features that make it a popular choice for gamers, including, ** a large selection of games to choose from ** regular updates with new releases ** detailed installation instructions ** a helpful community forum overall. FitGirl Repacks is a great option for new gamers who are looking for high-quality, compressed versions of video games. However, it is important to note that downloading and installing online/cloud games is illegal in many countries. Here are some of the pros and cons of using FitGirl Repacks. Pros ** high-quality repacks. * large selection of games. * regular updates. * detailed installation instructions. * helpful community forum. Cons ** downloading and installing online games is illegal in many countries. * repacks can take a long time to download. * repacks can be difficult to install. * repacks might contain flagged malware or other known harmful content. It is important to weigh the pros and cons of using FitGirl Repacks before doing so. If you are concerned about the legality of downloading online games, you may want to consider other options, such as buying the games from a legitimate retailer. Here is a recent case regarding downloading and installing pirated games. In 2022, a man in the United Kingdom was fined £1,000 for downloading pirated copies of video games. The man, who has not been named, admitted to downloading the games from a website called the Pirate Bay. He was caught after the games were traced back to his IP address. The man's case is a reminder that downloading and installing pirated games is illegal in many countries. In the United Kingdom, for example, it is a criminal offense to download or distribute pirated copyrighted material. Those who are caught can face fines of up to £50,000 or imprisonment for up to 10 years. There are a number of reasons why downloading and installing pirated games is illegal. First, it deprives the copyright holders of revenue. When people download pirated games, they are not paying for them, which means that the copyright holders are not making any money from them. This can have a significant impact on the ability of copyright holders to create new games. Second, downloading and installing pirated games can lead to the spread of malware. Many pirated games are infected with malware, which can steal personal information or damage computers. This can be a serious security risk. Finally, downloading and installing pirated games can be a violation of the terms of service of many online gaming platforms. These platforms often have rules against downloading pirated games, and users who violate these rules can be banned from the platform. If you are considering downloading or installing pirated games, it is important to be aware of the risks involved. Downloading and installing pirated games is illegal in many countries, and it can lead to a number of problems, including financial losses, security risks, and bans from online gaming platforms. More. Is piracy a felony? Punishments and fines for illegal downloading. Piracy is theft. The cost of digital piracy. Vulnerable groups. Illegal downloading. But life, gamers, fine, away, right? FYI, life finds a way is a memorable quote uttered by the character Dr. Ian Malcolm in the 1993 science fiction adventure drama film Jurassic Park. 2. What are the best offline PC games so far? Resident Evil 4 Remake. Hogwarts Legacy. Dead Space Remake. Uncharted, Legacy of Thieves Collection. Return to Monkey Island. Immortality. Prey. Planescape, Torment. Dragon Age, Origins. Tiny Tina's Wonderlands. Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered. Stray. Neon White. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Shredder's Revenge. Elden Ring. Ryan Winterhalter at Gamerant.com.